This little bird just flew in my store and is hanging out at the office supplies area. Flew in from that door. Go scare it, Ward.
Huh?
Go scare it.
You're scared?
Push him out.
I don't think he wants to be with me.
Alright, here we go. Got the UPS driver attempting to scare it out. He's gonna get it. Whoa, whoa! Oh crap. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he doesn't know where to go actually. Oh, he's stuck on the brick. He landed on the brick. What? Alright, let me go check him out.
Oh, I gotta get out of here.
Alright, see you, Ward.
Yeah, you too. Have a good weekend. Happy Mother's
Hey.
Day.
What can Brown do for you? Scare birds. Thanks. Where'd he go? Oh, now he's on top of the speaker hanging out. Right there. There he is. He went out. I wonder if I should catch it. Oh, he's not even moving. Huh. Let's find a cat picture. Oh, there you go. No, that's a friendly cat. Let's find a mean one and try to scare it. Nope, sympathy. Dogs. Kanye. Oh, cat. There we go. Alright, guess this is a scarier cat, but this one will do. Alright, let's see if this works. Hey, Birdie. Hey, Birdie. Rawr. Hey, make him move. Wait till he sees this guy. He's staring at him. Rawr. Rawr. You see that? It's not working. Huh. It's not working. Oh, man. Must be a baby bird. That didn't even work. Take a good look in the mirror and don't worry. No wonder. No wonder that didn't work. Crap. Alright, let's put this guy back. There he is. Okay. Well, I guess this will be my pet for the day, or I don't know. The door's right here. Doesn't know to fly out, so. Alright, well, I'll keep an eye on it, and if I turned up the music really loud, right on top of the speaker. Alright, let's try that. Employees only. So he's currently up there, can't see him, but I blast it really loud. Let's see what happens. There you go. I think that's scared him. That's not working either. That's a cute little dude. What's he doing here? Alright, well, I'll give an update later, but he looks like he's gonna be hanging out for a while. Whoa, 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 calm down. Thought he was gonna fly at me. Why am I scared of a little bird? I don't know. Bye-bye.